What is the coronavirus? Symptoms and precautions. The coronavirus was first introduced in the 1960s. What is the coronavirus? Symptoms and precautions. The coronavirus was first introduced in the 1960s. So far, 13 species have been discovered, of which 7 are transmitted from animals to humans. Coronavirus is transmitted from lactating animals and birds to humans. It is a type of influenza that passes through the nose to the lungs, causing the virus-affected person to have difficulty breathing. Symptoms of coronavirus. Corona symptoms begin to appear within 2 to 14 days, including nausea, colds, coughs, head and high fever. This causes pneumonia and lung swelling and makes breathing difficult. How to prevent coronavirus? Wash hands frequently with soap. Doctors say that if you do wudu, the disease will not even come close to you. Wash hands thoroughly before and after cooking. Cook the food completely. Boil water and drink more. Stay away from colds and colds. Stay away from pets. Do not touch anyone's eyes, face and mouth. Avoid the use of antibiotics by people with the virus. It is important to avoid using the things that are infected by the